So a little bit earlier, you may have watched our video and I showed you the pictures of the zucchini and the pumpkin, right? The zucchini and the pumpkin. And inside of the zucchini and the pumpkin, we saw something really special. Has a sound, the sound, seeds, right? Seeds, very good, seeds. So we know all about fruits, right? And if you can, with your moms and dads and your family, brothers and sisters, I want you to make a list of all the different types of fruits and vegetables that you know. Go ahead and make a list of all the fruits and types of vegetables that you know. You can say it out loud, maybe your parents could write it, or draw a picture, right? Draw a picture. I want you to do that. She'll share with Miss Kayla a little bit later. So we talked about seeds, right? So today I'm going to read you this book. It's called A Fruit is a Suitcase for Seeds. A fruit is a suitcase for seeds. And we're going to listen and find out how these fruits protect a seed, right? How these fruits even protect a seed. So what kind of fruit do you think this is on the cover? I'll give you a hint. Has the A sound. Super easy. Apple, right? It's an apple. What do you think this apple looks like on the inside? What does it have on the inside? Seeds, right? And we know this. We know we've seen how the apple looks on the inside. Is that how an apple looks on the inside? Yes, inside of the apple, we can see the fruit and the seed. Awesome. So on the cover of the book, we see the apple, and the inside of the apple looks like this. So I'm going to start reading the book. The title of the book is A Fruit is a Suitcase for Seeds. The author of the book is Jean Richards. Boys and girls, what does the author do? Writes the story. Very good. And illustrated by Anka Harrington. And what does the illustrator do? Draws the pictures. Good job. Most plants have seeds. When you put a seed in the ground and water it, a new plant grows from it. A new plant grows from it. And we know that, right? That's the life cycle of the plant. We plant the seed and the roots start to grow deep down under the soil, and the stem emerges from the soil, right? The stem emerges from the soil. What do we see here? The roots. Very good. And this is a seedling. Remember, boys and girls, the seedling, small plant with the stem growing in the leaves. And that seedling will grow into a larger plant, Seeds often travel to faraway places. If seeds did not travel, too many plants would grow in one place. It would be very crowded. This is very crowded, huh? What does this look like, boys and girls? Maybe a park or a zoo, a forest. Some seeds travel on the wind. Some seeds travel in the water. Many seeds travel inside fruits. Is that a fruit? No, that's a suitcase. But what's inside? Seeds. The fruit is like a suitcase for seeds. It protects them on their trip. Many seeds travel inside fruits. The fruit is like a suitcase for seeds. It protects them on their trip. Do seeds grow inside suitcases? No, they grow inside fruit. But it's important. Just like a suitcase protects our clothes and our sneakers, a fruit protects the seeds, right? Just like our skin protects our bodies. So it's very important to see, where do the seeds grow? Inside fruit. The fruit protects the seeds. Fruits look beautiful and taste good. So animals and people can eat them and drop the seeds in different places. What fruit do you think this animal likes to eat? bananas, coconuts. What about this? Maybe some different types of fruit. Some seeds carry one big seed inside them. The seed is called a pit, right? Apricots have pits, avocados, cherries, plums, peaches. This one big seed is called a pit. Say it with me. Pit. 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 A cherry is one of these fruits, right? Anybody ever had a cherry before? If you open inside, can you eat that part? No, that's because it's a cherry pit. Some fruits have many small seeds inside them, right? Who can tell me? Pear, apple, lemon, my favorite, watermelon. Very good. An apple is one of these fruits, right? An apple is one of these fruits with seeds inside. Some fruits have many, many seeds inside them. Some fruits have many, many seeds inside them. Banana, kiwi, blueberry. A kiwi is one of these fruits, right? It has many, many seeds inside. Some fruits have many, many seeds inside them. Bananas, kiwis, blueberries. A kiwi is one of these fruits that has many, many seeds inside. Many, many seeds. Many berries, such as strawberries and blackberries, carry their seeds on the outside, right? The seeds are not inside, they're outside. Can we see? Where are the strawberry seeds? Outside. Blackberries, outside. Raspberries, too. Raspberries carry their seeds outside. Some vegetables we eat are really fruits. They carry seeds too. So some vegetables are really fruits. Butternut squash, tomatoes, peppers, olives, acorn squash, and green beans, right? These are all actually vegetables, right? But they're fruits because they carry seeds. Peas are seeds, right? If you open up a green bean, you will see peas. Can you find the seeds on this ear of corn? Can you find the seeds? Yes, they're everywhere. These are the seeds. That's right, these are the seeds. The part that we eat all the time, those are the seeds. I'll bet you didn't know that every time you eat a peach, a cherry, an avocado, a plum, a cucumber, a tomato, a grape, an apple, a banana, an orange, a pea, a pear, a melon, a blueberry, you're really eating a suitcase. A suitcase for seeds. The end. So at the end of this book, it's really cool. It has questions and answers that you may have, right? Some of these questions I have. So we're going to learn together, and I'm going to read it to you. What's the difference between a fruit and a vegetable? Well, boys and girls, fruits and vegetables are parts of plants. A vegetable can be the leaf, like spinach, the root, like a carrot, or even a flower, like broccoli. A fruit, apples, cherries, peaches, is the part of the plant that holds the seeds. But some vegetables hold seeds too. Cucumbers, tomatoes, even green peppers. Are these vegetables really fruits? There's no clear answer to this question. Maybe we should think of them as both a fruit and a vegetable. Next question. Do all fruits come from flowers? Yes, all fruits develop from flowers. That's true for vegetables that hold seeds too, right? They all grow from flowers. That's why it's very important to take care of our environment so all of our fruits and vegetables grow nice and strong. And what do we have to do for fruits and vegetables to grow? The same thing we have to do for plants, because fruits and vegetables are plants. You have to give it water, soil. All fruits develop from flowers, right? So we have to make sure that all the fruits get their basic needs: water, nutrients from the soil, sunlight, and air. Remember, 4 basic needs. Why don't seeds grow in our tummy? Small seeds that we may swallow when we eat a tomato or a slice of cucumber, or even when we eat the seeds inside of an apple or an orange. Can they grow inside of our tummy? No. Why not, boys and girls? Because seeds need water, air, nutrients from the soil, and what else? Water, nutrients from the soil, air, and sunlight. Do we have those things in our tummy? Nope. So the seeds will not be able to grow. Do big seeds grow into big plants or trees, and the little seeds grow into little ones? No. The side of the seed makes no difference. The biggest tree in the world is a giant redwood, which grows into a really tall 30-story building. It grows from a seed that's even smaller than the head of an ant, right? So it doesn't matter how small the seed is, it can grow, right? Remember we saw in the book the tiny seed? It was the tiniest seed and it grew into the biggest flower, right? So it doesn't matter. Boys and girls, if you want me to read this tiny seed book again, just let me know.